You know, when they stop drilling and shit. 大家好, my name is Marcus and welcome to PoloNotes. So in this video, I'm going to be going over my top 5 Chinese TV shows to watch. Now, if you've been trying to find a Chinese TV show, you'll find that there are a lot of love stories, a lot of romance stories, a lot of dramedies. And if you're not into that, wow, you will struggle to find what you're looking for. But don't worry, I've done the work for you. I felt the pain. I'm going to deliver for you. I've got some TV shows for you. So I'm going to go through my top 5 Chinese TV shows and where to find them. Some of them are on Netflix, some of them are on YouTube, so they're both quite easy to find, providing you've got an internet connection. And you have, because if you're watching me, then you just have, right? Yeah. So I'm going to go over those straight away. But before I do that, if you do have any Chinese TV shows that you think I will like, now that you know that I don't like love stories and dramedies, please don't send me those ones. But if you've got others, please put them in the comments below. I'm always searching for new TV shows to watch. And if I do find some new ones, I will keep sharing and reviewing them with you. So yeah, I'm going to get straight into that. Keep watching and hopefully you'll see something you like. So the first TV show we're going to talk about is a TV show called Take My Brother Away. The clue is definitely in the title. Basically, it focuses on a younger sister and older brother growing up through sibling rivalry while attending high school. It's very easy watching, ridiculously funny, and extremely relatable. I've got a lot of brothers and sisters, and each time I watch this TV show, it just reminds me of something I used to do to them. So yeah, it's really relatable. Also, in terms of learning, the grammar and vocabulary used in the TV show is extremely useful because they're based in high school and it's quite an up-to-date TV show to watch, so you're learning at the same time. You can find this TV show on both Netflix and YouTube. I'll put a link below so you can find this TV show. Definitely check this one out and tell me what you think of it. The next TV show that I'm watching is a show called 我们这一家, or Our Family in English. It's ridiculously funny. It's the closest thing you will get to The Simpsons. Mother, dad, daughter, son, living an everyday life and random things that happen into each of them. In fact, not even so random, they're everyday things that happen to us, and I think that's why this show is incredibly relatable, and that's what makes it very funny. Forgetting to do the shopping, forgetting to do the dishes, and how your mother reacts. There's so many things that you can relate to in this TV show. The vocabulary used in the TV show is everyday vocabulary, so you're learning as you're listening. So this is another reason why I watch this TV show, just to hear the dad say "Guan, Guan." It's really good to see that, because instantly I didn't know what that word meant, but as soon as I saw it in the TV show, I was like, well, that can only mean one thing: get out. So yeah, this TV show is very relatable and very easy to watch. Each episode is around 20 minutes long, so not too long either. You can find this TV show on YouTube only. There are 1,000,001 episodes. Literally type in the characters, the pinyin, or the name in English followed by Chinese cartoon and it will come up. Let me know what you think about that cartoon, because yeah, it is ridiculously funny. Put your comments below. So the next TV show I'm going to talk about is a TV show called 蜡笔小新, or in English, Crayon Shinchan. This TV show, just like the other show, is focused on a family, but the humor is a bit more crude. So if you're into a bit more of your Family Guy type humor, then this is definitely the TV show for you. This is what I enjoy watching. It keeps a laugh and a smile on my face the whole time. Some of the things that comes out within these jokes are ridiculous. But yeah, this TV show is really fun. Again, the vocabulary used in the TV show is very useful. It's day to day, so you're going to learn a lot from the TV show as you go through it too. You'll find this TV show on YouTube. There are millions of episodes that you can find. I'll put a link below, just like I do with all the other ones. So yeah, if you like this TV show, comment below and let me know what you think about it. And if you found some more TV shows like it, please send them to me. Okay, so my next TV show, if you like Black Mirror, then you will like On Children. This TV show is called On Children. It's literally an Eastern version of Black Mirror. It's very strange, very uncomfortable. Random things happen. Episodes don't follow each other. It's a new complete story in each episode. You'll really enjoy some of the short stories which are told on this TV show. If you're really into something like your Black Mirrors and things like that, you will really like this TV show. Most of the actual show is spoken in Putonghua, but there are occasions where they speak in a local dialect dialect. And as it is shot in a Taiwanese production, sometimes they'll go into Taiwan dialect or they'll go into another dialect which you won't know. But 80 to 90% of the show is in Putonghua, so still really good for learning. Because the TV show is split into so many short stories, the grammar usage in it often changes in terms of level, so some are easier than some others. So bear that in mind when you're watching. But you will enjoy the TV show if you're into this type of thing. On Children is available on Netflix. Check it out, get it watched, give me a comment below, let me know what you think about it. And again, if you know any other similar TV shows, pop them in the comments so I can learn about them too. So my last TV show that I'm watching is a TV show called Unchained Faith. It's a fantasy / sci-fi crime thriller TV show which is extremely light-hearted. It revolves around a young girl who has a hidden past that she doesn't know about. It's quite interesting. There's powers in it, so that's what keeps me watching it. I'm gonna be honest, it's the powers. It's the closest I'm gonna get to my TV shows, like Flash. But yeah, it's very easy watching. The grammar and vocabulary used in it though is quite advanced. I showed this TV show to my language partner and she did say it's quite advanced for my level, but fortunately I like a challenge and I like the TV show, so I'm still trudging along through it. So it is quite advanced, intermediate to advanced. So I would advise the other TV shows for more practice, but this one, it's still entertaining to watch. Okay, so that's my last TV show. If you like this TV show, comment below, or if you've got any, again, similar to it, especially like this with powers in it, send me. I need some powers. I need to see Flash. I need to see some Flash. Maybe I should start like a superhero YouTube or something. Okay, I'm going off on a tangent. But just before I go, I do have an extra bonus for those of you who made it to this part of the video. Thank you. If you are watching Netflix on Google Chrome or you're watching YouTube, there is a really cool add-on extension that you can download called Language Learning with Netflix. It's a wonderful extension. Basically, it makes subtitles for all the TV shows, any TV show, including Pinyin as well, which is ideal for the newer learners like myself. I still use some Pinyin as well. So yeah, if you've made it here, I'm so glad you have, because I can share that with you. So Language Learning with Netflix, I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can check that out. If you want me to do a full review on it, comment below so I can go through a little tutorial through it with it. So I can go through a little tutorial with it for you. But yeah, if you have liked this video, please click on that like button, subscribe. I'm gonna keep these videos coming. If you want me to review anything or talk about anything, again, comment, let me know. It helps me come up with ideas to keep doing more of these videos based on Chinese learning and things like that. Okay, I'm gonna go. I've been doing this video all day and I need to take a rest. Yes. Thank you again, helping everyone get from A to A. Hope you've enjoyed. Okay, it's food time. See you later.